Gurnable. I'm not going to say morning because it's 6:30 PM. Yeah, I've been up. I got up quite early today, but I did the video, which took quite a while, and then I've just literally been doing nothing all day, apart from going out to have a look at that rainbow earlier. I thought I'd better turn the camera on. So the main thing that I want to talk about is there's a meetup happening. Shit. It's at Stratford Racecourse this weekend, so Friday this weekend. It's £10 a night, so if you want to, I'm going, there's quite a lot of people going. What you got to do is, there's a website, I'll put a link in the description. It's themotorhomer.com. You don't have to pay anything or anything like that. All you got to do is sign up and then post on the forum thing saying that you're going. I think it's for insurance purposes or something, because they're doing it all properly. But yeah, that don't cost anything. It's not like a scam or sign up to this website and you'll get spammed by a load of crap every month. But yeah, if you would like to come and meet us lot or hang out with us for a bit, then get yourself down there. Yeah, so I'm hanging here for one more night, and then going over to Manchester to see John, and then from there, I don't know what I'm doing. Probably heading back down, I guess.
Man, stop moving a minute. Move over. Good boy.
Oh. So we were joined by Connor last night. Just about to go for a wander up this man tour. I'm not going to take this camera though, because I don't want it to get soaked. It looks like it might rain. So the audio is going to be pants. Oh well. Right.
Ooh, good boy. That's how you do it, Lance. Good lad. Already steeper than expected.
Oh no, don't update.
Oh, you did. Oh, he lit the lens.
Right folks, we're off. me and Connor off to go see Gadget John, because he's not far from here, so a little drive. She's pissing it down now anyway, so might as well go off. God, what a stunning place, folks. Look at this. Anyone who's never been to the Peak District, you need to go. It's like van heaven up here. So it's me and the Ambo in convoy. Just found a little spot not far from here. We were going to drive down to Leicester, but not going to bother now because it's too late. So just going to go stay up here for another night somewhere. God, these roads we're on now are an absolute joke. It's hilarious. Bombing around these little country lanes. It's 11 o'clock at night. You barely fit one van down here. Woo! Trying to keep up with Connor because he's a fucking speed demon. This bloody ambulance. I'd say that's a winner.
That's Dave, wasn't it?
I feel like a part, like an absolute penis.
Can't really see where's flat here.
Morning, folks. How you all doing? Yet again, we've pulled up in an awesome park up, or woke up in an awesome park up. Obviously arrived here in the dark last night, so couldn't really see anything. Looks pretty good. When we got here, there was a lad in his van, just in the car park already. He came over and we ended up chilling all night. Just got a little fire going and stuff, as I'm sure you've seen already. Yeah, that's oh, you know what? Honestly, I was thinking when we were driving last night on the way here, all I was thinking was, I absolutely love my life. Like, really, it's the perfect life. I just love it. You know, the people I've met, the things I do. I've made so many friends in the last couple of months that I've made more than I have in my entire life since being back in England. And it's, you know, it's real friends as well, like genuine people that I've got time for and that help each other out. And so do you want to have a look at this spot? Just from in here, because I can't be asked to go outside yet. There's the other road with his master. Right, folks, I've not really filmed anything at all. So this video is going to make it since. We've just been hanging around up here. Met that guy up here. Yeah, just chilling really. That's what I love about this lifestyle. You know, you just turn up, meet someone there, just hang out for the evening, and then part ways in the morning. So about to head back to Leicester now for a day or two. Just sort some stuff out, and then from there got that meet-up on Friday. So looking forward to that. So I hope some of you can make it as well. I may be going on the Saturday. I've not made up my mind yet. Just thinking about money and stuff, because obviously if we're going to be going to Scotland, I'm trying to save as much as I can. So I'm going to go back, yeah, to Leicester and do all these stickers as well that everyone's been buying, which I can't thank you enough for. Seriously.
Ready, is it?
Yeah. Get going. 2 hours drive. Too bad, I suppose. So where's that?
Where's it taking you?
Down through the peaks. Oh, nice. Yeah, like all the way through A51.
Oh, Scotland's always so good.
Yeah.
So cold, but so good.
Yeah. Get yourself down that army shop, buy 6 coats.
Yeah.
Alright folks, probably not going to film much of this drive because I can't be bothered, if I'm honest. I might film a little bit, as soon as we can see a bit more than yesterday. It's cold. Oh, I tell you, that's another job I need to do. These seats are heated, but I didn't know how to wire them up. They've just got the wire, one wire coming out the bottom, but it's how do you? What would I need to buy to control them? Because obviously you don't just want them switched, because surely that would be too much power, won't it? I don't know. Don't know how they work. Maybe I'll just try. Stick them on a relay. Just have a go. Don't want to be leaving that standing in the garage. Right, onwards. This was the spot where we were. Look at them views. Woo! Mega. Right. Look just how amazing this place is. Seriously. So bloody cool. Oh, God. So if you're around the Midlands somewhere, and you got a camper,